Hey gamers, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be making a Toca Life speed build. This is basically on my phone and I'm editing everything on my phone. And sorry if the audio sounds really bad, like his voiceover sounds weird. It's because it is on my phone and things like I said. And I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading. I have not been feeling well. But for the girls who are watching, the real reason is because I started my time of the month and I've been feeling horrible. So, yeah. And I don't have my intro and outro on my phone. I know I should. But I was trying to transfer the video files over to the computer, over to my computer. And it really, didn't work. So I was like, forget it, I'm about to do it on my phone. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Bye, guys.